Hello everyone, welcome to Grade 12 AP Chemistry Review of the Basics. Today we are going to go over formula weight. So let's start by talking about the Avogadro constant, which is also called the mole. The mole, or the Avogadro constant, is a unit of measure of particles that equates to 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23. This is also used in the unit symbol of mole, L-O-M-O-L. The number of molecules in a mole is defined such that the mass of 1 mole of a substance, expressed in grams, is exactly equal to the substance's mean molecular mass. It is defined and calibrated from the isotope carbon-12, where 1 mole of carbon-12 equates to a mass of 12 grams. So how do you calculate molecular weight? First of all, the unit that you need to calculate this in is in grams per mole. Molecular weight is calculated for a molecular formula. The general idea of calculating molecular weight is to break the formula into its elements and then add the atomic weight of the individual elements together, which you can find those in the periodic table. I would explain further with an example. So let's start with a very simple example, which is the atomic weight for water. So the representation of water is H2O, which is 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Now, if you look at the periodic table, you would see that there are rows and columns of different elements represented by their alphabetic symbol. Now, oxygen is O and hydrogen is H. I won't go further on explaining what the periodic table is, because that would be in another section of this review course. You just need to know here is that on the section in the periodic table where the oxygen and hydrogen is, you would find a number in the bottom of those sections, where in oxygen you would see 15.999, and in the hydrogen section you would see 1.0079. If not the same, it would be very close in terms of the number. So what are these numbers? Well, these numbers are actually the molecular weight, which is the gram per mole. So in this case, oxygen is 16 grams per mole and hydrogen is 1 gram per mole. Now, so if that is the case, what is the molecular weight for H2O, water? Well, it means that if you see in the bottom of this slide, it equates to the molecular weight of hydrogen plus molecular weight of hydrogen plus the molecular weight of oxygen, which is 1 gram per mole plus 1 gram per mole plus 16 grams per mole. This equals to 18 grams per mole. Thank you for visiting our lecture on chemistry. Review the basics. If you are interested in or you have not done so already, please download our free grade 12 chemistry review of the basics app, which is available for both iPhone and Android. If you would like to support us in creating more helpful videos for you in studying for your course, please like our videos, subscribe to our channels, and be sure to share this with your friends so you and your friends can both succeed in your chemistry class. Thank you. See you next time.